We explain the importance of using explainer videos on your company website. Explainer videos can be used very effectively to introduce your brand to newcomers, answer visitors' questions, and to create a favorable and lasting impression. People prefer watching a product or service video before closing the deal. It helps them to make that decision. Video also gives your brand an online presence that is the closest thing to being physically in your offices. Video can help to boost your business credibility when you use it to introduce your team and show a glimpse behind the scenes. Still not convinced? Video can best demonstrate your product. Words cannot do it as effectively. Video contributes to better viewer engagement and improves SEO. Time is precious. Short videos save time as a substantial amount of information can be conveyed in a matter of seconds. Do not overlook the importance of using explainer videos on your company website.